Ready to transform that cozy plaid blanket into your own personal relaxation station? First, gather your supplies. You'll need a plaid blanket, the thicker, the better for durability, about 50 feet of strong rope, and a pair of scissors. Fold your blanket in half lengthwise to reinforce the fabric, can create a stronger base for your hammock. Now, carefully cut a small slit or poke a hole about 2 inches from each corner of the folded blanket. These will be where you thread the rope. Thread the rope through the hole at one end. Pull about 810 feet of rope through and tie a strong knot, like a figure-8 knot, close to the blanket to secure it. Repeat this for the other 3 corners. Find 2 sturdy trees or posts that are the appropriate distance apart for your hammock. Wrap the rope around each tree trunk. Hit your desired height, making sure it is a safe distance from the ground. Tie a secure knot, like a top-line hitch or a bowline, to connect the rope to itself, creating a loop around the tree. Test the hammock by gently applying weight before fully committing. And there you have it. Your DIY plaid blanket hammock is ready for lounging. Grab a book, kick back, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy DIY projects.